Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at how to find the partial derivative. Here, we are going to consider this example. We are told to find partial derivative of z with respect to x and the partial derivative of z with respect to y. So, you are given z is equal to x plus 1 divided by xy plus 1. So to obtain the partial derivative of this equation, we are going to apply what is called quotient rule. So you shall apply quotient rule, which tells you that if you are differentiating function of u, the function u differentiated multiplied by v constant minus u multiplied by v differentiated, then you divide by the square of u. In our case, function u and v are as follows. So function u is the numerator and the function v is the denominator. Then we obtain u prime. Remember, we are differentiating with respect to x. So u prime will be 1 and the v prime will be equal to y. Then from there now we obtain partial derivative of z with respect to x, which is equal to function u. Function u we have obtained it to be 1 multiplied by function v constant, which is x y plus 1, then minus function v with respect to x differentiated is y multiplied by function u constant, which is x plus 1. Then you divide everything by v squared. Our v is xy plus 1, then u square. From there, of course, we can simplify. This will be xy plus 1. We can remove the bracket here. Negative y times x will be negative xy minus y divided by xy plus 1, everything squared. Everything squared. This can be written as this is equal to, you can see xy minus xy will be 0, so we shall have 1 minus y divided by xy plus 1, everything squared. So given z is equal to x plus 1 divided by xy plus 1, partial derivative of z with respect to x is 1 minus y divided by bracket xy plus 1, everything squared by quotient rule. Then next we want to obtain partial of z with respect to y. So to do that, we are required to have u prime with respect to y. When you differentiate this with respect to y, the result will be 0 because there is no y here. Then v prime with respect to y, the result is x. From there now we substitute in this formula. Our u prime is 0 multiplied by our v, which is x y plus 1 minus our u is x plus 1. We are substituting this formula by quotient rule multiplied by v prime we have obtained it as x. Then everything we divide by v squared, which is xy plus 1, then u square. This is clearly equal to, this will be equal to, the first part will be 0 minus x squared minus x divided by xy plus 1, everything squared. Everything squared, which you can write as minus bracket x squared plus x close the bracket, divided by xy plus 1 everything squared. So that is the partial of z with respect to y. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on the partial derivative. For more such learning, remember to tune to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.